Good evening to everyone. 24 minutes past 6. Erade was sida beye bebrebe. I will say I have a True Value Media. We are live on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. I'm a near background. I'm in Famuta. I'm just saw a dediha Esnam Elizabeth. Obetimi Afremi Esna. And I said, and I'm a SLIMZY. My Joe so 2. When I was seeing that, acquire your day. Now we name Jumedia at Dahono. But Nkwa hoba. Bisa se Nkwa ne kita ono. Oba hoba insane. Ne adisia ewo hono. Semre kra no. Futu kakra me pese me nkanche obi bia ne se. Patience has its own reward. Patience has its own reward. So call a friend to call a friend. The question is search True Value Media for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Join in, sharing. Share the link. And fire brabo home. Rebecca sa afire physical health home. Because of Nkwa hobaya. So say Nkwa wu hia me pa yi. Me da wasi bebre. I'm ready yenyum kakra. Me nane me home e ba sia die. Afire personal physical health home. The producer or Summer's name is Pascal. Young Pascal. Nini baby besa. I'm ready. Coming home, Basisia.
You can make a mobile. That's what my young and I'm sanity. Me that's what me just but I mean, what's it there, baby? That's what I don't know. Me that's what me just but I mean, what's it there, baby? Come on.
I don't mean I'm a just
what I'm here to be.
I don't mean I'm a to say
I'm coming to me,
that we serve. Meshirani din amakamfo no dani na. Mekai will say, I have a true value media. I don't see someone share link now. Share more, be no being so share more. No, I'm to they were all platforms, so your Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Dear me just so I did Esna Melisa, Betty me after me Esna, and I send an ama SLIMZY, Nama Joe, so come on. It's media Yatuni Dean said for Nkwa Hobay. No, but Nkwa Hobay, what just to say, men Kwahu Hiam, you mean to see Nkwa Hiam and dear Indian Naya Casa Afa, physical health and home. And we hear and say, yes, and fire Nkwa home. Kasani Pediane crying, we hear say Yankasa and Fahom. Make I also me producer so much. Young Pascal. On name me boss. Toxic. Money suiting me, I say no. All right. We know we will always bless the Lord. Thank you very much to each and every one. So when you that privilege, you know, now I share link and now I join you on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Me that obi biara ase. Nene yebekasa afa physical health. What is the meaning of physical health? Physical health means the well-being of our body, how we keep it day by day. The way metre mu otwi kase mu say your physical health no ya pomudin ye nipejia ehonhom no na se kire ene say de biara da se de ye be keep ye nipejia anopa ewia sen na wo nipejia no o fanshe no obi wo hanuma ni nipejia no edura anopa na ne tipai no nanso edu ewia na no ho adodo no kakra edure numre nso a na ne ho nso asan ye memremre ye besua sa niama weni na kwan a eya na ye nipejia no edane and inti brofo kasem no physical health means that the well-being of your body and how it functions day to day. Kwan a ye nipejia function day to day. It's all about having a good energy. Say the ameno kase, you may think that I have good energy to bring it. Quite best na me have it that good energy no. Nini na me de bebro. And until having good energy to do your daily activities. Quite best na be having your daily activities. Second one here to keep your body free from illness and pain as much as possible. Se obe odu ni pedua ne betwe hu afi yare ho ene oyaw ehho ebiemu nso no se ube didi ye eat well, stay active and getting enough rest. Obi ohanum ate say for example me producer Young Pascal obi sane say send an order obeka cho say me pese me ye adwuma ntimentime na me nampo owo secret bi ya emanenda nanso effect wo ho me cheche omuni na make sure say physical health is very important for our body to always active. Say oma oni pejia no always be enye active 24/7. Say oni pejia na 100% and make sure so oni pejia na be 100%. Eat well. Didi ye. Kwan ben so na odi be didi ye. Enye so sorry ya na medi spaghetti na menda na medi sweet na wonda chale undidi ye make sure say obeno mon kwan say 4 times a day make sure say untimi ndidi 4 times a day krana do 3 times a day say the obe keep your body active and obe get enough rest say ube get enough rest. Make sure say ma vegetables and some raweji and diem. Meme ameti hey. Udi jene say me ya bechi watum. Me di onions pa ye. Se me ye jiania. Me use onions bebre. Tie always be my mom. She is always fighting with me because of how I use my vegetables. Me onions. Met me use full onions. Na marine sa especially say me di rice and me chicha onions ni good rice na so na me marine sa because me person me need pejia na active esan ye glittering na ye shiny mame and it say yendidi ye sounds na next one is say taking care of your hygiene and going for check up ahanom ye very important to me taking care of your hygiene and also going for checkups when it's needed. And who here says ye she ya pomudin hu ye ni esan ko ayaresabia. And yes utibe ya oya anase yare be chewa to ho. Nkwa na ye say okwa ayaresabia o. Se uti paiwa eye se okwa ayaresabia. Se okwa ayaresabia kra na utimi ni doctor no kra have enkitahu die mechiremu a only have a friendship talk. Said yes, say bibi ya was say untime Nkwa sabia kran. You already have a personal doctor with you. Yeni pa bia was as you so. E yes say I have a personal doctors around us. Me say me secret. I have personal doctors. Sans na me sanko ayaresabia to make sure say me ho better me check my pomudin. Me have me personal doctors. Me san be check my pomudin e wa ayaresabia. Me personal doctors say hwe no na me sanko ayaresabia na ma hwe me nipegia. Obi eka mame kira mo asem bi obi hu mi no ka kira me say me slim ye ne fedodo. What is my secret? And at that time, on a make a sign, Mesreye. If I was like, Mesrem na, majority of them are saying, say, Meswate dodo. And I say, I'm too slim. So I need to be fat, kakra. Now also, what about the catcher, me say, slim no ayo fe. So what's my secret? My secret is just a small secret. I always take care of myself. Into whom is skin na check. It's glittering. Mejia ni diemu. Me make sure se menu munso kakra. Merry vegetables. Me di a lot of fruits. Me mango ano pay me re mango pans na me bet na studio hano. Me di fufu ansa na me bet na studio hano. Ma ye a lot of things ansa na me bet na studio hano. Tu humia one day wa ma no aye dia me share no. Because of how I eat, how I get enough rest, and also how I take care of my body, myself, so that yarebia embo me. My next point ne say, why physical health matters? Why physical health matters? Why physical health matters? It matters, one, it gives more energy. Say, uni yarebia wo huna always bia uni pejiano acte 100%. Wano ye den said the mano ye den. Said the mano ye den no. Enye bibia o. Eye how am I taking me good care of my body? And the mano ye den. To one, you need to have you get more energy. Say oma uni pejia hu hia o. And now say Ocean hu ya tembia you are active. Tembia uni pejia onsa ye active, ona ye active, wano ye active, weni ye active. Bibi bia obeye bia ye active. Second one, lower your skin, lower your risk of disease. You lower your risk of disease. Into kwambia say yare bia ye say born. Say so winya yemi yare. That's yeni na yenim yare we. Ulcer. Yeni na yenim ulcer. Once say ulcer ni say yede when a ye cause undidi ya ulcer timi ye uyem. And when say pese ulcer be ye wa make sure so be didi. My answer say udidi. Jitum say yes mi didi. Na answer say yes mi di fruits. My answer say yes me no munsuo bebre. Some radio mami ko breaking bra ye wo bebre a ye besua afa ye personal health ehun. Yeda obi biara say waka ye ho amaya call commercial break aba. And your point me mention say why physical health matters. One, we need to have more energy. Two, we need to lower your risk of disease. Three, we need to recover faster from illness. Four, we need to get support, mental and emotional well-being. And next point, the key part of our physical health. The key part of our physical health is one, exercise and movement. Exercise and movement. One say one exercise na ujonko on saya oya on 90 mi oya usisi oya. Say uye more exercise ewo ni pedue mu a etimi eboa ema say yare bi pese eye wa exercise no ebre yare na se. So oye exercise o de ma mencho so sorry anopa utimi eye exercise from head to toe. Now what peja uti, now sand uti akosro, now don't sa akofem from 1 to 10 keke, and no more ebe boyen. Second one is nutrition, and only inyania yedi, that's how are you taking your fruits, your vegetables, you're making sure say inyania yedi no, ye say in emua. We should make sure say you be more vegetables also. Sansa na your fruits now we take care. You need to take good care of the fruits now often. Say fruits a hygienic fruits are. Just take it and use it. Sansa na you will get enough rest and then earlier no may stay here. And the solution and chakrano me de men come no ebeba area. So the best one is the solution. Kwan ben so na ye be make sure say ye de hygienic ebeba and say your personal health. Kwan ben so na ebe boaye solution ben ana ebe boaye. Niam one say earlier no me mention sinti we need to get enough rest. We need to sleep more. We need to eat healthy. We need to eat more, we need to rest, we need to exercise, we need to move our body. And the solution is say, the way I make us say, it's very educated. And a solution. Say, unya obi or ye doctor, or ye professional doctor. Na uni have one or two ways u face will fear about your personal health. Just call him or her. Now explain it dear near ma say on ye mouth. Say dear obe wow. Ama nyama say a yema uni pedian. Ubenya efim. So one solution is move your body regularly. Say day by day. Onante. Oya jogging, o ride a bicycle, osa. Urian so assign diagro, play sports. Inti say omo ye sports no, omo boa. And yes omo bobo ne keko. They are also doing exercise to their body. Ubon say omo ye omuni pediane exercise. Obi bobo abe ka say ni pedia ya den dabi. O make sure say ni pedia be active. Inti o nante kran and nante within 30 minutes. O de obe nante from aha to fie and I say o store nante from o store to o junction. 30 minutes exercise, 30 minutes dancing. Ebema oni pediano aye active. Ebema yare bi ye say erera oni pediamu no ebe reduce. Sounds na ye say oma oni pedian so ye flexible. Yes, flexible. Keep your body flexible. And yet de bia na say oma ni pedia den ma oni pedia anya flexible nante jeja ho e ma oni pedia anya gidigidi. Second one eat balance and healthy food. Earlier no make aduane ho asem. eat balance ne say enye se wedi fufuo enumre mesinye di fufuo ochina mesinye di fufuo there be eat differently inte enumre a medi fufuo yi ochina no pamenum tea ewia medi emo ewia mu ho baby medi banku. Eat balance and healthy food. Eat balance and more fruits, more vegetables, and also eat making sure say my egg, beans, fish, chicken, embra wejiani mu bebre. Na cut it down on food say sugar and so I'm making it say less. Sugar bia se would sugar aduane amane so enye less mame. And second one so yeah, get enough sleep. Enough sleep na we here because most of people are going to the hospital. Bebre na ko hospital because of enda. Obi wonu mo be fred doctor ka chen said anaso ko hospital. Doctor mintime now. Enye se ontimenda o making a home too busy. In the time I saw odeda no na ye limited. Ubon say obeda from 3 to 5. Na exactly 6 so sorry by 7 so ko ejuma. And no san obe ka ton ho say oh mintimenda say yo meda na menyane meda na mendabi. Naturally, esa would nipe biesa utimida 8 hours. 8 hours. So when it's me under 8 hours, ne krana making sure says 6 hours dear. Ubeti me ada. Sansona esa unumunsuo bebre. Ye nipejiano insuo nsoma ye nipejiemu ye active. So pensuo no ma glass of water. And they say me pesa me kasa bebre. Monday yeba me the things say ye de etrel the way I insuo bebre no me the cup ni insuo beba na ma cho time limit of baby say unum insuo do say would 1 glass of cup now the num insuo with the water now the num insuo inti say unum insuo bebre a day cra say one num insuo cra 10 times num insuo manembro 10 cra 10 times a day 10 times a day there so to me enumunsuo prevent illness sans na ebiamunso avoid harmful habits and manage stress niama say ofam stress na ya chichi ye hu bebre no ye manage biem enu ntime be summarize bibia na wate ase personal health ehunina say 1 personal health means that keeping your body you need to keep your body well being function day by day. Personal health means that well-being of your body, how well it functions day by day. Second, it's all about good energy. It keeps your body moving from illness, from pain, and eating well, checking hospital. Always you need to check your body. You need to go to checkups at the hospital. Sansona, oba key pointer. You need to get exercise. You need to get exercise and movement. Sansona say you need to get nutritional food. You need to sleep and get rest. You need to prevent disease. Why personal health matters? Thus, you need to have more energy. You need to also have lower your risk of disease. You need to support your mental state, your mental health. Also support wajin. And yes, our bodam Nkwa na also share wajin. We yanka say ye ni pejian. We need to take it serious. Sansona, you need to stay hygienic. You need to get enough rest, prevent illness, avoid harm. Edo su bebre. Me da obi biara se. Ma me nkwaje kratombra na me ba na yentoaso.